Welcome to the Adsonica Academy. In this video, you'll learn how to tell stories and make your ads more accessible with audio, even if you don't have a voiceover artist. So instead of uploading an audio track, open the advanced options. Then text to audio lets you use Amazon Polly's synthetic speech generator to create an audio track. Check the box on the left to enable this feature. Then choose a voice. Neural sounds more realistic. On the right, you can choose between male or female, and then from the left-hand drop-down menu, you can choose a voice. On the right-hand drop-down menu, you can choose an accent or translation on the fly to Spanish, French, or Italian. Then type or paste the text you want to convert to speech. I'll just say hello, and then click speak on the bottom right-hand corner to test it out.
Hello.
Finally, click add audio if you want to use it in your display ad. I can see on the left now that it's been added, so I'll click continue. Then I can go into preview and test that it's worked.
Hello.
And it has. So thanks for watching this Adsonica Academy tutorial. Now you're ready to distribute audio display ads with synthetic voices, harnessing the power of sound to increase engagement and brand awareness across the internet. Get started in the studio today, or head to the Academy for more tutorials, including the remaining advanced features videos.